Francois NARS always says, when it comes to blush, how and where you apply it is more important than the color you use. The pigment is unlike anything else. You can use the shades alone or create your own colors. You can really have fun with it. Savage Blush is a shimmering bronze. For this blush, I'm using a fluffy brush, hitting the apples of the cheek and dusting back towards the temple. I love this shade because it meets a highlighter and a bronzer together. I'm using a little bit of product to blend up towards the temple for added dimension. Aroused Blush is the most alluring color with a provocative name. For this, I'm gonna really start on the side of the apple and blend back. With this blush, you have the option to use this as a pop shade or to use it under the cheekbone for a draping effect. This blush provides intense pigment with just a touch of radiance. One of the first blushes in my makeup kit was Exhibit A. This is a color that's so shocking to the eye, but looks great on virtually everyone. Exhibit A has this really beautiful way of looking just like skin. It appears to be almost sun-kissed when you give it a really beautiful sheer wash and keep it higher on the cheek. Deep Throat Blush is a pink with shimmering gold, hitting those high points of the cheekbone and blending to where the cheekbone stops is a great way to apply this at any face shape. After applying, use the tip of your brush to blend the edge for a seamless finish. Thrill is a cool tone matte pink with a touch of lilac. This unexpected pop-up color is really beautiful as a soft accent against the cheekbone. Keep it higher, hugging the eye for a feminine and flirty look. You can build this up with barely any effort. Behave Blush is a mauvey pink matte. I'm starting my placement towards the temple and blending down, focusing under the cheekbone and blending slightly up, meeting where the highlight would be and the pop. This is a perfect everyday wearable shade, gives just the most flattering amount of flush to the cheeks.